Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWide. So in this video, I will show you how to improve your laptop battery performance. In this video, I will show you 6 methods to improve your laptop battery performance. So without wasting your time, let's start with our first method, reduce screen brightness. If you are not using your laptop, you can reduce the screen brightness by go to the right corner side on the notification icon, click on it, and you can easily decrease your screen brightness. It will improve your battery performance. So this is our first method. If you're not using your laptop, you can decrease the brightness of your laptop. It will help your battery to perform better. Now move on to our next method, battery saver mode. So let's go to the Windows icon, then click on settings, then click on system. On the left side, go to battery, click on the battery option, and always use this option, battery saver mode. Always turn it on. It will save your battery. You can also use this option, lower screen brightness while in battery saver, or you can also set the percentage of turn your battery saver mode automatically at 20% or at 40%. I will use 20%. At the 20%, it will turn it on automatically, the battery saver mode. So let's move on to our next method, use hibernation. So go to the search bar and type control panel, then go to power option. This is the option, power option, click on it. Now go to choose what the power button do, click on it. Now choose this option, change settings, click on it, and on the battery section choose hibernate in all the 3 options, then click on save changes. That's it. Now move on to our fourth method, disable battery draining apps. So go to the Windows icon again, go to settings, go to system. On the left side, go to battery option, battery usage per app. So you can see the percentage, which app is using how much amount of your battery percentage. So you can choose any option like this application, click on it, and you can choose it never. Okay. So let's move on to our method 5, disable your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if you are not using it. So go to the notification icon on the right corner, click on it. And if you are not using your Bluetooth, then disable it. Or if you are not using your Wi-Fi right now for some time, you can also disable your Wi-Fi to improve your battery performance. So the point is, if you are not using your Bluetooth or your Wi-Fi, you can disable it for some time. It will save or improve your battery performance. So our last method is to improve your battery performance, Power Troubleshooter. Go to the settings icon. First go to the Windows icon, then click on settings. Then go to update and security. On the left side, click on troubleshoot. Then go to advanced troubleshooters, click on it. Scroll down and you can see the option of power. Run the troubleshooter. It will diagnose your battery and solve if you have any battery related issue. I don't have any issue, so I will close this troubleshooter. So these are the 6 methods to improve your battery performance. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWide. Have a nice day.